Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to teleport near Alliance in Whiteout Survival. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is go ahead and open up the game. Then from here, make sure to log into your account. So teleporting near your alliance is important because it boosts your defense, resource sharing, and makes reinforcements and relies much faster. And being isolated on the map makes you an easy target as well. So staying close to your alliance strengthens coordination during events, enemy attacks, and fortress wars. So now the best way to do this is to go ahead and click onto your backpack icon at the bottom of the page. And then from here we got these different tabs on the top of the page. So click on the other tab. And now here it is here. So I've got 3 of them. So Alliance Teleporter. So teleports your city near your Alliance leader. So go ahead and click on use to use this. And then we can go ahead and click on teleport. Then click confirm. All right. Another way to do this is, if you don't have that option, is to go to the shop. And then from here, there might be a option to buy in the shop here. So just go have a look at the VIP shop or gem shop. And another way to get it is to click on the Alliance button, and then from here we've got a shop icon, and we can buy it free here, but you might need to reach a certain Alliance level to unlock it and buy it inside of this shop.